Hi, welcome back to Tony's Reviews. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discussing with you Fieldy AI Honest Review. So Fieldy AI is an AI-powered wearable designed to automatically capture a conversation and turn them into organized notes, summaries, reminders, and tasks. Instead of pulling out a phone or manually recording meetings, the device clips onto your clothing and listens in the background, sending transcriptions and AI-generated insight to a companion mobile app. Now, the idea behind Fieldy AI is to act like a second brain, especially for people who want to remember conversations, commitments, or ideas without constantly writing things down. Now, when looking at whether Fieldy AI is worth using, well, independent feedback gives a mostly positive, realistic picture here. Now, according to TrustPod, the platform holds a general strong rating here, with many reviews highlighting how convenient the automatic capture feature is. And based on what TrustPod shows here, people often say Fieldia helps them keep track of meetings, casual conversations, and daily tasks they would normally forget. Now, the ability to search past conversation and see key points summarized by AI is frequently mentioned as one of the biggest strengths here. Now, that said, Trustpilot reviews also point out some limitations. A portion of reviewers mention occasional app sync issues or misrecordings, especially when connectivity isn't stable. Now, these comments don't suggest the product doesn't work, but they do show that reliability can vary depending on usage conditions. Now, most of the criticism focus on software polish rather than the core idea itself. Now, looking beyond Trustpilot reviews here, well, hands-on reviews and community discussions describe Filia as most useful for, let's just say, people who generally need passive note taking, professionals who attend a lot of meetings, and people managing many verbal commitments here. And or those who struggle with memory or organization tends to see the most value. Now, the wearable format is often praised because it removes friction, so you don't have to remember to press record or type notes. At the same time, reviews make it clear that it's not meant to replace full project management tools or professional transcription services. Background noise, overlapping voices, or informal conversation can sometimes reduce transcription accuracy. Now, privacy is another area people often ask about. According to company statements here, the AI focuses on processing and summarizing speech rather than permanently storing raw audio. While this reassurance matters to many buyers, some reviewers still note that comfort with an always listening wearable depends heavily on personal preference and trust in the platform. Now, overall, Fieldy AI comes across as a legitimate AI automation and productivity tool rather than a gimmick. Now, Trustpilot feedback shows real customers using it successfully here, and the product clearly exists and delivers on its core promise for many people. Now, at the same time, it isn't flawless. Its value depends a lot on how much automatic conversation captures fits in your daily life. Now, for someone who wants hands-off note-taking and AI summaries, it can be generally helpful. For someone who prefers manual control or expect perfect transcription every time, it may feel limited. But yeah, now out of everything you found here, this is pretty much legit and maybe worth it for people who want wearable AI note-taking and automation support. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe buttons and watch our next video.